Hello my dear darlings, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Soleil Ambrose and I do YouTube videos, so if you can subscribe on my page, I'll be very happy. So today I have an unboxing, a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Well, I just received it today and I did open it up, the box, but I just received it like 5 minutes ago, so I wanted to do an unboxing. I know a lot of people did this unboxing. I'm just gonna show it to my dear darlings. So as you can see, it's a Louis Vuitton box, and so this is what I got. Alma BB in the Monogram. So yeah, there it is. I know there is plenty of videos on YouTube, but I just wanted to do my own video as well. So yeah, well, okay, I have the box here, dust bag, you know, the usual stuff that comes with it. The ribbon was just in the box, I didn't even bother to wrap it, and my receipt. I know a lot of people have been really loving this bag. I mean, I already have the bag, and I already have the Alma BB in the Damier Bean print. So this one I just bought in Monogram. So yeah, there's like 4 feet right here. It says Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton. Made in France. Made in France. I just checked the dates code and there was 2020. But I want to say that I'm not impressed with this, the Monogram. So this is a strap. This is my padlock. So that's the inside. It's brown. And I have this one right here. And the item number, if anybody needs it. So yeah, this is the Alma BB in the Monogram. I'm not impressed with it, really. I actually have my Alma BB right here. This is in the Damier Bean. I actually like this one more than the Monogram. I'm really not impressed with the Monogram. So I like to be 1000% sure when I'm spending money like this, because it's not cheap. And if I'm not gonna like it in a couple of months, there is no point in me keeping it. So yeah, that's the Monogram right there. The LV. I'm wearing the padlock as a necklace, so I have this gold chain right here, the gold chain, and I just put the LV from my Damier Bean. So this is it. I mean, I like the Monogram really, but the color, and it seems like they also changed the letter on this one, on the Monogram. It doesn't, I mean, they did change it on the Damier Bean, but this one, it looks like they also changed, but it's not looking too good. It's really not. So I can close up. So yeah, I really don't think I'll be keeping it, because right now I would like an Hermes Kelly. I do have Birkin, but I don't have a Kelly yet on my collection, so I would like to add that on my collection. So I think this is not really going to work out for me. I might as well just wait for my Kelly bag, because I'm not impressed at all. Like I said, I really love the damier being, which I already have, and I don't think I really want to have two of the same kind of bags. I know this is the Monogram and the damier being, but I'm not impressed with this one. So, and I don't think it'll work with my lifestyle, even though I really like the color, but the leather is not look very cute. So darlings, let me know what you think in the comment down below. So there it is. I'm a golden girl. I love gold, so not really silver. Yeah, and this is gold, like everything is gold. I'm like wearing my gold Cartier right there, the Clash de Cartier, and I have my Justin Clue right here. So yes, so yeah. And also I'm going to have my Instagram soon. If my darling, if you can follow me on Instagram, because I'll be doing a lot of things. I really want to be putting videos. So yeah, I'm really, I think I'm gonna sleep on it, but I'm not really. It's a cute bag. I like small bags, so to me it's not too small. It can fit my essentials. I have another bag, just a random bag I would like to show my darlings on YouTube. So this is just a bag. It's just a random bag my sister got for me online. So this is what I've been bringing everywhere on this quarantine. Like, you know, I don't really get to go out anymore. This is just the front. It got two buttons right here. My sister bought it online. Can't show you inside because I have like a bunch of stuff over there. So yeah, this is the bag. The chain is not adjustable. This is like a gold color. It's a cock. It's a very, very nice, cute purse. I don't really bring big purse anyway. So yeah, let me know what my darlings think. But like I said, I'm not impressed, so I tell all my darlings, buy what you want. Don't try to buy what will work with your lifestyle. Don't try to follow somebody else just because somebody else has it and you also want to buy it. I mean, no. If it's not going to work, which I think for me, this one in the Monogram, the Alma BB, it's a no. I know it's such a classic bag. Maybe I'll learn to love it in the future, but right now it's not really looking too cute and I'm not impressed. So, and this is the key. What the key is, the clochette, it had two keys. Yeah. So yeah, I really don't think I'll be keeping it. I saw a lot of reviews of this one on YouTube. Some people love it, some don't. The color will change because of the patina, which I'm fine with it, obviously, but it kind of looks like this material right here looks like a tire. Looks like a car tire. the feeling of it. So I don't think I'll be keeping it. I really like the damier bean print. So that's the bottom. So yeah, I don't think I'll be keeping it. I'm not 1000% feeling it. So yes, you'll have to go back. But yeah, let me know what you think, my darlings, because I really would like your opinion. But if you were considering buying it, I would say it's a very nice buy. As you can see, I have these two. I have now, if I keep it, I'll have the monogram and in the damier bin print. But if I don't, then I'll just have the I'll just have the damier bin, and I might consider purchasing this one. But really, it's such a nice buy because the price is increasing. This one I received it last year. This one is 2020, so 2019, 2020. And I'll also like to know if my darling knows. I know that the Louis Vuitton changed the letter right here. They changed it to the like a matte kind of version. I mean, I was wondering, like, since when did they change it? Because mine doesn't really look too shiny, and it doesn't really look too matte either, like matte either. So I'm like, that's interesting. Because I saw the new one, but I was like, that's kind of weird. But I am not really sure when they changed it. So yeah, this is my two babies right here. Look at them, so cute. So if you're really thinking about buying it, I would say I would definitely recommend this buy. It's just up to you which one you want, the damier bean or the monogram one. This one is like so pretty, the red inside. This is also cool, the brown. I say it's kind of easier to clean. Let's say you spill something, kind of just get tissue paper or like a cloth, put some water on it, and then you kind of just wipe it down. This one might leave some stain, but make sure you close whatever you put in here, or maybe put it on a small purse. But yes, so I hope everybody's my darlings. I hope you all staying safe out there. Be kind to one another, and I will definitely let everyone knows when my Instagram is ready. I'll be posting pictures in there, and so yeah. And if you're new here, again, my name is Soleil Ambrose, and go subscribe to my channel so you can get a notification when I post something. I love all my YouTube darlings, so I'll see you soon. Mwah.